How to fix this channel cannot be displayed in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if you cannot view a channel because it cannot be displayed in the Telegram problem. Now, this is super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to any browser that you are using, and from here you need to go ahead and type web.telegram.org. This will take you to the login page of Telegram. Here, you need to simply go ahead and enter your phone number or log into your account. Now, once you are logged in, you need to simply tap on three dots located in the top right corner. From here, you need to tap on settings. Now, you need to tap on privacy and security over here, and from here, you need to scroll down, and here you can see an option that says sensitive content. Simply go ahead and enable the disable filtering option over here, and once you do that, this might help you solve the error. But if the issue still persists, we need to go ahead and update the Telegram app. In order to update it, you need to head over to your app store, and then you need to tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner. From here, you need to go ahead and find Telegram, and here you can see the update option. Go ahead and tap on it to update it. And once you do that, this might help you resolve the issue. That's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.